Are you looking to make your call to action stand out on your WordPress site? Well, in that case, you must check out this widget by WDesignKit. Its name is Open Door CTA and it adds a captivating door opening effect whenever users hover over the site texts. This will surely grab their attention instantly. So, excited to know how it can be achieved? For that, let's dive in. The widget we will be using here is offered by WDesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now, let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor. And we will also need WDesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WDesignKit. Simply click on Install Now. Then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance. And here, as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesignKit. Simply come here and click on WDesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Open Door CTA. Out of these three, we are going to make use of this one, that is Open Door CTA for Elementor. Simply download it by clicking on this icon. Once that's done, let's make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Now opening the Elementor editor, here's the basic page where I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply come here in the widgets panel and search Open. Then drag and drop this widget inside the workspace. For now, let's just select the widget from the navigator, and under the content tab in here, you will get to see the customization options. As you can see, there aren't many options because there is no need. It's a super simple widget. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, upload an engaging picture here. Next, add the prefix and postfix text. And there you have it. You can see how the image appears in front of us when I hover over the text. It's like someone is opening a door. Moving on, let me tell you that I've added 3 more Open Door CTAs inside this container. I'll quickly go ahead and put in the necessary data within each of them. That's done. Pretty straightforward. Let's click on Update and have our final view. Now don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget Builder, using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks. Using WDesignKit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even Bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesignKit also comes with its Cloud Workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now, if you are curious, be sure to check out our next video where I will show you how to add a sleek horizontally unfolding effect to your WordPress site. The tool we will be using in this project is super useful when you want to showcase a lot of product features or services, that too in limited space. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on so that you don't miss any of such amazing videos we keep on adding inside our WDesignKit playlist every week. Until then, stay creative and keep learning.